Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW iX xDrive50 in Phytonic Blue on Amido. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW iX xDrive50 in Phytonic Blue Metallic. This is the first one in this color that we've seen come to our dealership, so pretty interesting. And just wanted to take the time to share this lovely vehicle with you and all its glory. iX is definitely a serious vehicle in terms of road presence, and it definitely looks awesome in this color. And I like the gold accents on this. It definitely contrasts really well. But just wanted to take the time to share this with you. Let's take a look at the closer details. Alright, so right off the back, this vehicle does have the BMW laser light headlights. And the walk up, walk away feature is my fault. It keeps on blinking. But we do have that blue accent in there. And it does actually signify that it is BMW laser over here. And then we've got the nice sport design here with the air intakes on each side that are functional, that go to the brakes. And then we've got the beautiful one-piece Shy-Tech kidney grille that is self-healing. And then we've got the blue accents around the rondelles. Got the little spot there for the washer fluid. And down at the bottom, got a little opening there for some nice design. Lots of sensors and such hidden inside. All looks really good. Now if we come around to the side, we do have these beautiful 1011 style wheels that are 21 inch, and we do have a blue M Sport brake back there and the blue accent around the rondelle, which looks really good. And then if we look at what we've got here, so body colored side mirror, but we've got that beautiful gold trim on the door handles and going all the way around from the front to the back of the vehicle, just underneath the windows, which looks really good. I think that's a great color combination. And up top, right, don't have anything up there really to show from the outside. And if we go ahead and walk over to the back of the vehicle, so we've got the iX emblazoned on there, welcome light carpet. There's a little bit of an animation there for your tail lights coming on and off, which is really cool. We've got the rear view camera integrated right into the BMW rondelle with the blue accent on the rear, which is nice. And I just kicked my foot underneath the vehicle to have this open up. So we do have the double-decker cargo cover, which can be removed. And we do have your occasional use level 1, level 2 charger in that bag. We've got some carpeted floor mats. We've got a little elastic band on this side to hold stuff. We have a 12-volt plug. We have grocery bag hanger. We have fold down the seats from the rear. And we also have a little glow-in-the-dark handle there to get out. Now if I lift this portion up, so there's two cubby areas just at the top there to hold the two cargo covers. And we've got a little bit more space here. Down here we have your tire inflator kit. And if I lift this up, at the bottom we've got your tow hook and your goop to fill your tire with in case it needs it. And if I put that back down, there's a button up top to close, but I'm going to kick my foot underneath the vehicle. So we can do it the fancy way. And there it is. Now at the bottom here, we don't have any exhaust, which is great. We've got some massive diffusers. Car looks awesome. Now if we go over here, we can see the car is fully charged, indicated by that green solid light. So we do have inputs here for level 1, level 2, and level 3 DC fast charging. And overall, this car looks really good. I like the color combination. Now let me just open up the rear door here. And when I have that open, you can see a lot of that carbon fiber reinforced plastic tub that's going all the way around the vehicle. And we do have Harman Kardon sound system in here. Some of the gold accents also transfer to the inside of the door. Actuators, window switches, manual release. And these are the Amido seats, which I've yet to see in person, with the blue accent seatbelt, which is a really nice touch. The center headrest can flip down if nobody's sitting there, but it's flipped up right now, So just like so, we have an armrest in the center here. If I press the button at the top, it reveals the cup holders. And this down also reveals the little string here so we can fold the seats down. Or sorry, fold the center pass-through down. So let me just put that all back. And just at the bottom here, we've got a little release lever to fold the seats down from this position instead of only in the rear. On the back of each front seat, we do have two USB Type-C charging ports, BMW accessory port here as well. We've got some vents on the back of the center console with rear climate controls that includes two heated seats for the two outer positions. We've got some vents underneath the front seats, pockets on the doors, and pockets on the back of the seat here as well. And up right now, the sunroof is blocked by the electrochromatic blockage, which is pretty cool. I'll show you a bit more of that later, but overall, back seating area looks really nice. I do like the blue seat belts. I think it looks kind of cool, especially on a vehicle like this. Let's look at the front. All right, so if we arrive to the front passenger side, let me just open the door there. We've got some welcome light carpet, a little bit difficult to see with the bright lights in here. We have some memory seats, as well as the seating menu button. So anytime you see those three little lines, that means menu. We've got the seating controls, Harman Kardon sound system, and look at that, we got the little olive inscribed onto the dash to let us know things have been dyed with olive, which is more sustainable, better for the environment. I love the seats in here, so comfortable, the stitching, everything, even the feel of it, so nice. We have the large curved display for iDrive8. We have the walnut trim center console with the glass controls, which looks really good, of course. We're starting to see more and more of this. At the bottom, we've got the wireless charger, two USB Type-C charging ports, we've got 12-volt plug, cup holders, and down here, hidden button to release the glove box very slowly. So there's a little bit of space in there. We've got nice big vents here. We have physical four-way flashers, max front defrost, rear defrost. And if I press this here, we've got double-decker storage with there's a digital key sitting in there. And I like how this is set up so you can put your phone in here and put something to charge it from the bottom. And the passenger side also has a little phone holder slash grip. Let's go over and look at the driver's side. All right, so we've got more welcome light carpet. And once we open this, so this is the child safety lock, which is different than other BMWs. So it's a button in the iX, all four window controls, side mirror controls, seating controls, memory seats, unlock, lock. There's your tailgate release down there as well. And very comfortable seating, amazing. We have your exterior lighting controls, so it's just lighting menu, auto or off, signal indicator, adjustment for steering column, cruise control, new iX steering wheel. We've got your multimedia and layout controls here. Wiper stalk on the other side, so I'm just going to set it to the auto position. And if I just take a look here, so we are at 100% charge. It says we can travel 542 kilometers, so we actually only advertise 450 for this, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, we also have the head-up display here, which is not on right now, and we also have the universal remote garage door opener is in this vehicle. And I just want to show you guys, this never gets old. Press this, it is transparent, and then it is not. So that's really cool, I like that. The iX is such a comfortable vehicle to be in. This thing is awesome. All right, so normally at this part of the video I'll pop the hood, but we cannot. So I'm just gonna give you one more long walk around the vehicle. So this crazy vehicle, not only does it have the lowest drag coefficient of any BMW ever made, which to me is what? I don't understand how that statistic is true, but it is apparently. And this produces 516 horsepower, 564 foot-pounds of torque, and we know that's instant electric torque, so that's absolutely ridiculous. And also, all the iXs do come with active integral rear steering as well, so the rear tires will turn a little bit as well to assist with parking maneuvers and such, making it a little bit easier. But overall, this vehicle is definitely a marvel of technology and engineering. And we saw a lot of the stuff that's in the iX trickle over to the new 7 Series, which is definitely one of the most highly technologically advanced vehicles that we've come out with so far. And this vehicle definitely places its foothold into BMW history because it's an iX. It doesn't follow some type of series. It's electric. It looks so bold and future forward. Very interesting car. And definitely congratulations to George. I know you've been waiting a while for this vehicle. It is absolutely lovely. Can't wait to show it to you in a few minutes. But yeah, this car is amazing. All right, everyone. So that was my tour of this beautiful Phytonic Blue 2023 BMW iX xDrive50. Car looks phenomenal. Congratulations, George. If you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.